Good evening, everyone. I'm Durgesh Brahmbhatt from Ultimate Class Hostel. Today, I want to discuss about knowledge. You know, if you have knowledge now, you can do something different in your life because a knowledgeable person will change the world. Suppose if you are well knowledgeable, you are self-esteem, you can do something different in your life because whatever you want to do in your life you will do, but you have to think that what is the important knowledge. If you are thinking that knowledge is important, you should you should have knowledge. You should have different type of knowledge, like you should have knowledge. But what kind of knowledge? I said different type. What's the different type of knowledge? Like your persona, like your communication skills, right? Right, any types of knowledge you can use in your life, but you have to think about yourself that if I have to do something different in my life, so I will have to listen somebody's experience. What did they do for their entire life and what are they doing? We know if somebody is speaking on the stage, to be says anchor says that they have huge round clap for him and her because they did their hard work. So we must learn that in our life what should we do so that we everybody learn to us. They think about us that he's a person of words, learn so many things. Today was a later day that he spoke on the eve of this occasion. Any anniversary, any festival, anything else we consider and we celebrate whatever we do. But we are knowledgeable person. If we go anywhere without any reason, so it will not be good for us. It wouldn't be happen because we know about ourselves that knowledge is the key of success. If you are a knowledgeable person, you can do, because suppose you have lots of knowledge and you are not utilizing your knowledge, so you will not be able to do something different in your life. Enhance your knowledge, do whatever you want in your life, motivate people, be motivated, be honest. If you are knowledgeable person, you have no honesty, so you will not be able to succeed in your life. Suppose you are knowledgeable person, you have no degree, it will be okay. But you have degree, you have no knowledge, nobody will respect you. So I don't want to say to you that you should have knowledge, but also you should have degree. If you have degree and knowledge, you can go anywhere, you can get job, and you can do something different in your life, whatever you want to do. Because being a knowledge, being an education, and being a all these things, we can do something different in our life. Because some people they think that knowledge is important more than degree, and degree is important than knowledge, but I think both are important in today's era. So in my opinion, uh, we think for a while that knowledge is important, after a while we think degree is also important. We should not think, we should think that degree, if we go anywhere, so somebody says what's your qualification, so we need that time. And knowledge, everywhere you are going, you are talking to someone and you are thinking that you have to show your talent here, your knowledge, that whatever you achieved in your life, definitely you can show, and somebody will look after you and they will look you, and they will look at you, they will think that he's a knowledgeable person, whatever he spoke nobody can speak. So like I want to say to, if I give you example, Mr. Rakesh Solanki sir, he is a knowledgeable person, he has a lots of knowledge. Somebody, if whenever he speaks, somebody listens carefully, and they think like they want to be like a Mr. Rakesh Solanki sir. So I want to say to you, be educated, be knowledgeable, do something different in your life that the world wants to do like you. It's all. Thank you very much. I'm Durgesh Brahmbhatt from Ultimate Class Asta.